I'm in the greenhouse with my granddaughter. I'm going to be watching her for a few days, and the peas are ready. So we're going to pick a few peas, and I'm going to see how she likes them. I'm so excited about this. You guys know I love growing peas. They're my most favorite thing to grow. And they have a lot of sentimental memories and value to them too. But let's get them picked. Okay, pick that one right here. Oh, good job. Oh, did it fall? Okay. We're gonna open it. You come sit down right here. Okay. All right. Okay, here's the first taste test. Okay, babe. Go ahead and grab one. What do you think? Yummy? You like it? Yummy? I guess she likes it since she's eating them all. That's so exciting. She keeps asking for more peas, so apparently they're a big hit with her. This is so funny because I have such good memories of being in my mom's garden eating peas, and now I get to pass this on. I pass it on to my kids, and now I get to pass it on to my granddaughter. Here you go, babe.
Isn't it dirty?
Yeah, yeah, you tell them. Yummy.
I do nuggets.